Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks awesome. You do have the chrome accenting up front here. You do also have your lights there and your fog lights down there with the chrome bumper. Coming around the side here, we do have our Bridgestone brand tires with our 20-inch rims. You do also have your running boards along the bottom and your heated exterior mirrors right there. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, we do have a 6-foot box back here. Looks awesome. You got your SLT badging as well as the 4x4. You do also have your chrome bumper and dual exhaust pipes back here. Open this guy up. There is a ton of snow back here, but it does have the spray and box liner, as you can see right here, to keep things nice and safe. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button there with our remote start right there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You do have this guy that brings in your mirrors. You also have a handle here, some storage here and here. And it looks fantastic in here as well. Very spacious, nice and comfortable cloth seats. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then right up here, we do have the controls over the lights. So the auto off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights and in-cabin light control. And then right up here, we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And then right up there, we do also have our battery and oil life. Now we do need some gas, but we can get that a little bit later. In the center, it also tells us how many kilometers we have, which is only 4,126. That is barely anything. And in the center, you also have your speedometer, your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then in the center here, you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab right there. If you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth, you have your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You have your Uconnect apps there, climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can also turn the menu off, and you do have your phone options right there as well. Now, down here, you do have the gear control, so you just gotta turn it like that, and then you have your 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock control. And then over here, we do have the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and your tune and browse over there. AC, circulation, you do have your temperature control here, power off, auto, and your front and rear defrost. And then down here we got the traction control, tow and haul mode. Then we also have our heated seats and heated steering wheel, some storage just down here, and then you also have your 3 cup holders here with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders and a USB and aux cord plug in there. You also have some storage just under there like that, and then you do have your other seat there, so it does seat 6 people altogether. Then you have your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes, lots and lots of room in there. Plus your universal garage door opener right there. And then you also have the control of the little window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your handle, control of your windows, handle here, and it looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious, same material as the front. You can also lift this guy up just like this. You do have some storage just underneath there. As well, this guy does fold down, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.